Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. If you haven't checked out Hyperscapes yet, I would highly encourage you to do so. Meta just added 6 new celebrity hyperscapes. Now these are celebrities' rooms, studios, guest rooms. You can go in and explore. It's not just a virtual tour where you are following a video. These are actual VR places where you can walk around, get up close with things, and spend as much time as you would like. So I'm going to show you where you can find them, how to change your movement settings, and give you a brief overview of all the 6 new ones. So to access these Hyperscape worlds, you can go into the Hyperscape app, and then you can just click on the Show All, and that's where you can see the other ones that are already posted, but these new ones there as well. And the other place you can access these is actually in the Worlds app. If you just go to the search and type in the name of who you're looking for, they will show up there and you can access them there quickly as well. Now, if you want to change your movement style inside of these worlds, make sure you go to just the general settings, go to world movement. You can change teleport and slide and your other various settings there as well. First up, we're checking out Casey Neistat's NYC studio. His Hyperscape feels very much like what you'd expect. Creative, functional, built around storytelling. You can check out all of his equipment where he records his video. If you're into filmmaking or content creation, this is definitely one I would consider visiting. A lot of really intriguing stuff around. I really enjoyed my time spent here in this one. Next, we have Diplo, the Grammy-winning DJ and producer. He actually has 2 spaces here, kind of a 2-for-1. It's his full recording studio and where he plays his instruments. So this space leans heavily into that music culture and creative energy, and it feels more like a vibe than just a room. I enjoyed checking out all the different equipment, even though I don't understand all of it. Really cool to check out all the instruments, recording stuff, and just the whole vibes of the place. Boop Boop brings a bold, expressive digital space that feels very online creator inspired. What I really stuck out to me in this one was all the different trinkets. It does this in every single space so far, but this one especially made you really feel like this space was lived in and that you could really get to know the person just by wandering around and checking out their place. And then we have Tan France. No surprise here, this Hyperscape is very style focused with fashion and design details that reflect his aesthetic. Check out that wall of shoes. Check out all these different colors of clothes. It's all here. This is the closet of dreams for someone who is into fashion. Next up, we have Jenna Lyons. She is the former J.Crew creative director. This space brings a very refined, design-driven space. If you are into interior design or creative workspaces, this one really stands out. Personally, I really loved the bookshelves in the corner there, and that kitchen looks pretty nice as well. And finally, we have Kris Jenner's Christmas guest house. This is what you'd expect. Check out this playhouse. It is very cool to see all the different parts of this. You can really get to feel at home in this little guest house here in the Christmas season. I enjoyed spending some time in this one. So if you had a chance to go and check these out, let me know which one of these is your favorite. Let me know if you've created any of your own Hyperscapes as well. Thank you for watching this one. Subscribe, hit that bell. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.